So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you the fix of this error when you search for your Python version and it says Python was not found. So I've got a fix for this and how to do this. Let's get started. First, search for Python in your start menu, and when you find Python, just right click on it and click on open file location. This will bring you to a Python shortcut. Just right click on your Python shortcut again and then click on open file location once more. This will bring you to the official directory where Python version is already installed. Make sure to copy this path. Once you copy this, press Windows R on your keyboard and then it will open run dialog box. Type sysdm.cpl, click on advanced, click on environmental variables, double click on the path icon and then click on new and paste your path which you copied before. Once you do this, restart your PC again. And here, as you can see, when you search again in the CMD, it won't give you the error again. So yes, this is how you can fix your problem. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.